My name is Emmanuel Bernard. Welcome back to my channel. Watch this video to ending to get more information concerning this construction that is currently happening in Lagos, Nigeria. And please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your loved ones. Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode on the project. This is the Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway, and as you can see, it's a beautiful and hot sunny afternoon, and I'm looking all fly and classic. Ooh, that's it. I'm currently at the Lekki side of this coastal construction. Lekki is a very popular beach in Lagos, and as you all know, it's gonna also be demolished very soon when the construction get to the beach exactly. But for now, let's just enjoy it while it lasts. This is the coastal road, and this is how it looks like currently. As you can see, behind that building you're seeing there is Maven Studio, which is very popular. That's Don Jazzy, Rema, Arista. That's their studio. It's actually in the estate, but the building came very close to the coastal road. Luckily, it wasn't harmed, it wasn't demolished. So this is it. This is how it currently looks. I'll turn the camera around to show you more construction on this axis. This place does not have any train construction going on, so don't ask me if there will be any train or not. Oh, see, these vehicles are pouring water to reduce the dust on the road, and these ones right here are carrying the sands that are causing the dust. The Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway is currently the biggest project ongoing in Nigeria, and it's also one of the projects transforming Lagos, Nigeria, and putting Nigeria as a whole into the transportation map. Anyways, on today's video, there are some things that people don't talk about concerning the Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway, and these are some flaws that you might not know about. Sometimes during the construction, accidents happen. Some of these accidents result to the delay of construction and also delay in the project scheme. Not to talk about workers being exhausted and also taking longer days break just to recover, or maybe there might be some short of staff issues and many other things that might not be known to the public. Anyways, I'm making this video to show you this phase of the coastal road construction in Lagos. There are some difficulties that are not being talked about on this Lagos to Calabar coastal road, which are the challenges are like vehicle being spoiled, workers being exhausted and also being injured, and accidents happening during the construction site and process. All these things are not being said around the media, and that is those vehicles are very loud, so I have to like hold on whenever they are coming through. So people don't talk about these things that go on the Lagos to Calabar coastal road, and it makes you feel like the construction is all gold and silver. No, accidents do happen, vehicles do get spoiled, and many other things do happen that lead to delay of construction and the project. But that's not what we're talking about today anyways. As you can see right here on this video, these are some of the workers taking a nap after a stressful day. Some are busy sleeping while others are out there trying to chill in any place they could find. And this is a vehicle that also got spoiled around the construction site. So things like this often happen during the construction process, but the media don't take this because no one posts about them actually. And I'm bringing this footage to you raw as it is, no editing and no cutouts. This coastal road is going to be a great one after the completion, and it's definitely going to put Nigeria as a whole on the map in terms of transportation. I hope the aviation also have plans to be on the map very soon. So right beside me is one of the trucks that supply water during the construction, and as you can see, I think the water, this one is empty, and that's why it is parked or maybe the driver is taking a break, something like that. So, from now, I would love to know what you think about this construction. Is it truly worth it? Is it the best? Is this the right time for this construction to be done? Or any other thing you would love to add to this video? Please do well to subscribe, turn on the post notification, and also share this video with your loved ones so it could get to more people as possible. My name is Emmanuel Bernard, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one, but for now, stay blessed.